So repeat after me so y'all can, we get this. It's possible
It's possible
to overcome objectives
to overcome objectives
and create
and create
a larger vision
a larger vision
for my life.
for my life.
All right, now look to the person to your right or left and say, you got that right, uh-huh.
You got that right.
All right, now give yourself another round of applause. All right, so the message, ladies and gentlemen, you have wings to fly. You can overcome any obstacles, any setbacks, and you can create that larger vision for your life. And as I close, I just want to say it one more time to ask you to repeat after me. It's possible
It's possible
to overcome obstacles
to overcome obstacles
and create
and create
a larger vision
a larger vision
for your life.
for your life.
And if you do all the things we talked about, all you have to do is what my dad once told me. Just set yourself on fire and the whole world will come watch you burn. All right, y'all ready to move on? That's the second one. Let's talk about that second one. It's all about the customer. This is what I'm focused my attention. You must be motivated to excel to make a difference. Yeah, you gotta be motivated. And so if you're gonna be motivated to excel, how about that next question? And so I'm gonna come up here and ask, because I've already picked on the first two rows, and they had all the right answers. How many of y'all think the third row is gonna have all the right answers?
I think they will.
You think they will?
Yeah.
Oh, don't you know?
Not for sure, some of them, but
I want y'all to excel. Because see, this is going to be one of those easy questions. Easy questions. So when it comes to excelling and being at the best every day, what motivates you to come to work? It's like winning the Super Bowl, and that's what we have to deal with, ladies and gentlemen. We have to ask ourselves, what is it that makes us come to work every day? What is it to make our employees, our associates come to work every day? What is it that causes our customers to come to your store versus another store? And I know some of you have heard the story before, and it's been told many years. But it talks about this. It talks about this one salesperson. I mean, this one salesperson and this farmer. This farmer, he had thousands of acres of land, hundreds of cattle, hundreds of oil-producing wells, and a great big old house and an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Now, come about midnight, Jacob, everybody was having a grand old time at this so-called coming out party. And when along about midnight, the host escorted all the fine young men out to his Olympic-sized swimming pool, which he had foresight to stop with water moccasins and alligators. And he said to all the young men, the one of you that will jump in and swim the length of this pool the fastest, I'll give you your choice of one of three things. I'll give you your choice of either 5,000 acres of my best land. And if you don't want that, I'll give you $2 million in cash. And if you don't want that, I'll give you the hand of my beautiful young daughter in marriage. And I mean, no sooner than the words was out of his mouth, then there was a big splash at one end of that pool with an almost immediate emergence of a dripping young man at the other end of that pool. Well, the host was excited about that, so he ran down to the other end and he said, son, you have set a record that will never be beat. Do you want the 5,000 acres of my best land? Young man looked at him and said, no, sir. He said, well, then do you want the $2 million in cash? Young man thought about that one. He says, no, sir. So the Texan says, well, then I can only assume that you want the hand of my beautiful young daughter in marriage. Young man said, no, sir. So the Texan was surprised about this, so he said, well, for crying out loud, what do you want? Young man looked at him and says, I want to know the name of that dude that pushed me in the